Hour 18, we're going to spend the next several minutes looking at vaccine hesitancy. Two big developments driving that. Pfizer gets full approval for its vaccine, and a high-profile Chicagoan who got vaccinated has a breakthrough case.
We start with the full approval of Pfizer's shot. Up until now, the drug had only been authorized for emergency use. CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey joins us live with more on what the announcement means here in Chicago. Megan.
Brett and Erica, local vaccine outreach groups are hopeful this will help change some people's minds about the COVID-19 vaccine, but experts say the bigger impact will be on vaccine mandates.
What is different today than was yesterday? I don't think it's much more than semantics.
Dr. Sadia Khan with the Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine tells me the full approval means the FDA has reviewed longer-term data around the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Great news for convincing vaccine skeptics to finally get the shot, right?
The hope is that they will. People were waiting for Johnson & Johnson.
But Sharon Massenberg with the East Garfield Park nonprofit Breakthrough tells me they're still doing damage control from the Johnson & Johnson vaccine pause in the spring.
Folks were kind of like, yeah, I'm not interested in being vaccinated. They don't know what's going to happen. I don't want to turn into a zombie.
The 60624 zip code, which includes East Garfield Park, is just 36% vaccinated, according to the latest city data. Breakthrough has been working to educate the community about the vaccine for months.
And Megan, unfortunately, that's not even enough to change people's minds to get vaccinated.
So has Autry Phillips' group, Target Area Development Corp. In the 60620 zip code, which includes his Auburn-Gresham community, the vaccination rate is also just 36%. Both Phillips and Massenberg are hopeful that the full authorization will send people lining up for shots. But
being realistic, though, do you think it'll happen at least right away?
I do not foresee it happening right away. I do think, though, as a community resident and as a parent myself, it has definitely impacted the way that I will be able to talk about it to other people.
Well, coming around on the vaccine might take more time.
But I'm skeptical that it'll lead to significant changes without mandatory policies.
Dr. Khan says formal approval will allow more institutions such as companies, schools, and the military to mandate the shots.
I think institutional and policy mandates around vaccines may be able to be supported now that there is full approval.
Now, Breakthrough is urging residents who are still on the fence to come out to their vaccination event next week, August 28th from 9 to noon. For more information, head to our website and click this story. Brad?
Yeah, Megan, so there are a lot of subgroups here with particular sets of questions. What does this Pfizer full approval mean for example, pregnant women getting vaccinated?
Well, Brad, Dr. Khan is hopeful that this news will encourage pregnant women to get vaccinated. As we know, earlier this month, the CDC released more data on the safety of the COVID-19 vaccination for pregnant women. Brad and Erica?
All right, CBS 2 investigator Megan Hickey. Megan, our thanks.
We're asking